Greetings and salutations. This is Carla from More Talk JA, and welcome to 2016, or as I like to call it, 2016. Because I remember all last year was like 2016, because I would have fixed up myself here. This year it is 2016 because this is the year where everything changed. Man, tell him, I not live the same year one more time and call it a lifetime. So a whole heap of things that got changed. Anyways, my love for you hasn't. So here I am. Now, Christmas and New Year's just done. And when I look back, I realize say you have the same set of something them that basically happen every Christmas and New Year's. And it don't really have anything directly to do with because I know some of them don't name and those type of things. So here I am to tell you 5 things that happen at every Jamaican Christmas. Oh, and of course, because those things are changing, I'm still the same person. My dog in the room, so she might have start back. And one man outside I fix one car right now, so you got your metal drop. Number 5. Stacking tactics. Every single Christmas that my family come together, there is at least one conversation where people talk about the different things that them do to be able to name the whole heap of food. Some people take wash out. Some people decide that they're not going to eat Christmas breakfast, they're going to save it all for dinner. You have another set of people who in the middle of the dinner, they get up and take a walk. Another set of people who like them get up and at the table and them start jump and them type of something there. Then you have another set of people who them decide it's like a time something. So they're like, yo, you have to eat, but you can't eat enough. You have to eat a whole heap of liquor plate. So I eat 10 liquor plates over like a 5-hour period as opposed to eating one big dinner. Every single Christmas, because Jamaican people crave now wanga, them sit down and have a big conversation. But what them do if you can name up the whole heap of food. Number 4, the formation of some unhealthy alliances and covert operations. Every year, my family, the people in the family, come into alliances that are built up around getting food. Because one set of people in there cook. You know, say you have another set of people, them are the nearest, them just sit down outside and wait for see what will come out of the pot. Now, them don't want to wait until the dinner served. But if you have grown up with a Jamaican mother, grandmother, auntie, or anybody else, you know, say you're not supposed to sit in the kitchen and eat out the food. Because what them, they take the fucker, bam, lick it on your hand and them something there. So what you need is one person who is going to go in and get the food. Let this be one of the smaller people who are lighter on their feet, and you need another person who is a lookout. Now, you can use a bigger person for that because generally we're affable and lovable. So when the people them come, where them a go catch we, you hug them up and you say, hey mommy, how you feel? And then the other little one now just run over the food, right? Every year alliances form, and then what happened? The alliances turn in a spy versus spy. So you have my team and you have your team, and because all of we are compete for the scarce resources of the food, like we are informed upon one another. I tell mommy, say, mommy, see Shana eat the food, mommy, see Krika eat the food. Them time they like food more greasy. All of them type of something there. Every single Christmas. Belly crawling. No. Jamaican people who have this habit, right? Or just drive up in a people's yard. I understand say it's a cultural thing, but it's a part of the culture. We could have Lego, we could have Lego that part of the culture there. Because me doesn't like when people just drives up into my yard unannounced. Every Christmas into Jamaican households, belly crawling goes on because what happens is this: the car come down into the driveway, the lights flash across the place. People start to get very scared because they're like, what are we going to do? Unexpected guests on the ground. And we get years of training in this, dealing with Jehovah's Witnesses and Mormons and other people and bill collectors that we're trying to avoid. Pan the ground and crawl belly forget word from the people them. Look here, you have to stop this something when you just drive up into people's yard. You don't know, the people could have man, them could have woman, them could have man and woman at the same time. You don't know, you cannot just drive up into people's yard like this. Every Christmas we know at least once people crawl upon them belly forget where from unwanted visitors. Number 2, embarrassment. Holidays with Jamaican families are the most embarrassing times in life because everybody have to get up and tell all of the story them from when you're a child. You used to eat your bugo, it's a go come out. You did drop and like stick literally broken out your ears, it's a go come out. You used to fat and wagga wagga and smell bad, it's a go come out. You used to mag and favor krum krum, it's a go come out. One time the dog did like kiss you in the mouth, it's a go come out. Every single time. And them I go tell the same story them over and over. And you see if you're fool and go bring all that date God Christmas dinner at them the time that them are going to ramp up because the whole family are going to have a little something them need to tell you your date about how you used to be. You see if you ever have a, like an unfortunate dating life and people used to like dump your regular and you used to like stay bad at them the story and then them going to come up with the phone. Them going to come up with the album and then the younger one them going to come up with the phone because unbeknown to you, your relatives go into the family album and they take pictures. Yes, they digitize all of the embarrassing photographs of you to have them for just such a moment. So anytime you see them start scroll so with impunity like them a laugh and a scroll like them a scroll and them no say no nudes not there. That's because them have an album of embarrassing things just for you. The number one somewhere go on any Jamaican Christmas. I'm a feel sorry Caribbean Christmas this. You're going to find out who your granny and your mother love best. You're going to find out. Yes, you are. Not because she's going to say it, but based on who she has stored the food for. Yeah. You see, if you are the child, where the granny, or the auntie, or the mother, or even the father, whoever love the best, they're gonna take out your food first. You see, from the chicken done cook before it even cool, like when you cut the chicken, it a shell out because the chicken still hot. At them time, that your food I go pick up you, the favored child. Them I go take out half of the potato salad and put it out for you. Them I take off 1/4 of the macaroni and cheese and put it over there so for you. Them I share out fresh veg and wrap it up in a like one ziploc something, put it over there so for you. You are coming next week. Your food has been taken out from this week. There are people in the house who are hungry. Them cannot eat because your food have to take out because you are the special child. Every year, people heart get broken and them feelings get hurt because grandma low-key the care our love based on who she's putting up food for. You know, one more something we did forget. One something we did forget. This is the bonus one. Every Christmas, theft. Theft is something that happens every Christmas in Jamaica, and it is the people who come and want to stock up food. Them come and them want to stock up food, and them hide the food in our places. Like them a take trips out to them car, claims that them left them cigarettes out there, and claims that them left them lip gloss in the car, and a food them a stock up in there. You see when people are left your house after Christmas dinner, just open the door to the car. You see if you open the door and in there smell like inside of a fine dining restaurant, you know say 4 pot of food put down in there because them don't plan to cook until into the next year. Yeah. These are the things that happen at Jamaican Christmas. Gonna comment under this and tell me the something I'm going to feel in the house because I know some my house trifling and temperate and it stay bad. But it's the best time ever because my mother can cook good. Mother cooks so good, like she cooks so good. Don't come to my house for the food because I don't want to share it with you. Okay? Anyway, so 2016, new year. I'm not gonna bother with new me, same old me. New year, same old me. New ways, different life. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and More Mayhem. And I've also launched a new account, Motivation. Because you know, some name like special, so it's like more everything. MOORE. Motivation. Yeah, that's my motivation and inspiration account. But not like the motivation and inspiration like your mother and your auntie give you. Like sometimes the rough kind and the kind of mix up with carelessness. So check out More Mayhem, check out Motivation, and also go on Facebook and look for my personal page, Carla KM Moore. I've lost my personal page. This is where I'm going to be doing my inspirational stuff and some of more academic stuff, and then you know some more talk JA over there. So we kept the yard things, some of the carelessness, and we're gonna think through some things. A year of thinking, all of them someday. Oh, if you know months ago, babe, and you go to UE, I teach there. So come on up there and let me teach you gender studies. We have a brand new minor just for you. All of stuff there. So I'm gonna see if we can export that video you know and put it in a format where it can go up on YouTube. I've never really did this before. On a computer. So yeah, love, peace, and chicken grease. Take care of one another, but most importantly, take care of yourself. Bye.